So we are now about halfway through the campaign on the Versa58 system, and there have been some great comments and questions. One of those that I think is worth addressing is, can we fit multiple accessories into a single scale? So I didn't even know that was really a thing, and then after doing a little bit of a search, I did find a couple online that were 3D printed, available on Etsy. That is the only place that I've seen this. And how they did it is probably actually having the item come in and be angled like so. Let me see if I can demonstrate this. I don't have one myself. Is probably this one is angled like this, and then on the opposite side, you have it angled in the opposite direction, so they kind of cross each other. Now, when it comes to the Versa58 system, you can see why that's going to be a problem, because we have to have twice as much space to accommodate the rivets sliding into the lock. And we also have 4 locations for screws that allow us to connect the inner faceplate, which is, if you haven't seen it before, is also machined, directly to those aluminum scales. What was interesting about this, and I think is worth noting, is it's probably not possible to include 2 of the accessories, meaning the tweezers and the toothpick, but somebody did bring up, what about the pin? Well, maybe that is something we could do with the V scale, and I think if we can make it work, would be a really awesome addition. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Let me know down in the comments. Sometimes the best ideas come from the consumers with suggestions that we never considered before. So I hope that kind of explains a little bit more and kind of gives you a look under the hood of how this system works. We need a space to connect the interface plate, and we need the areas to actually disengage the plate afterwards.